Good news for Ghanaian teachers. Yes, GES has released a letter, and the letter talks about teachers who want to upgrade their current rank, and they can upgrade their current rank to the ranks of to these ranks: Deputy Director, Assistant Director 1, and Assistant Director 2. The last one is Principal Superintendent. There are a lot more in the letter, so kindly take your seat, watch the video to the end, kindly share this video to your colleagues, and make sure to subscribe to this platform and become part of this amazing platform. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. Now, this is the letter that WAEC just released, and I am about to take you through. So let's start. Promotion of teaching staff to the ranks of Deputy Director, Assistant Director 1, Assistant Director 2, and Principal Superintendent. Applications are invited from suitably qualified serving teachers or officers for consideration for promotion to the ranks of A. Deputy Director, B. Deputy Assistant Director 1, and C is Assistant Director 2. The last one, that is D, is Principal Superintendent. Qualifications for staff or teaching staffs who wants to apply for these ranks. Deputy Director 1, yes, you need this qualification before you can apply for Deputy Director. An applicant should have been promoted to the ranks of Assistant Director 1 in or before 2020, or should have been continuously at post since date, or except for the period of approved leave of absence. And it is very simple. Your current rank has to be Assistant Director 1 before you can apply for Deputy Director, and you have to be on post or in post in or 2020. Yes, and you don't have to be someone who is off and on in school. No, that is number one for Deputy Director. And Assistant Director, this is the qualification GES is requesting from you. An applicant should have been promoted to the rank of Deputy Assistant Director 1, Assistant Director 2. Yes. Assistant Director 1. Before you can apply for Assistant Director 1, an applicant should have been promoted to the rank of Assistant Director 2 in or before 2020 and should have been continuously at post since date, except period of year, you know that thing. And Assistant Director 2, an applicant should have been promoted to the rank of Principal Superintendent in or before 2020, or should have been continuously at post since date, except for period of approved leave of absence. And that is for Assistant Director 2. And Principal Superintendent, an applicant should have been promoted to the rank of Senior Superintendent 1 or in or before 2020, or should have been continuously at post till date, except approved leave. An applicant who has obtained approved undergraduate degree will be automatically placed on this rank. Yes. So any applicant or any teaching staff who wants to apply for Principal Superintendent, you need to have Senior Superintendent 1. Your current rank has to be Senior Superintendent 1, or any applicant who obtain an approved undergraduate degree will be automatically placed on the rank of Principal Superintendent. There are a lot more in the letter. Let me take you to the next part. This is the next session, and it says officers or teachers with masters or PhD degrees. For this avoidance of doubt, applicants who wish to rely on masters or doctorate degrees to join the interviews out of 10 should note the following: masters or PhD program should be on approved GES course only. Yes. So maybe your current qualification or your current certificate that you're holding is maybe you are having masters or PhD and you want to apply for the GES body. Yes, it has to be a course approved by GES. Yes, it shouldn't be different course. Any course that you just study, GES is not going to accept. Masters or PhD certificate should have been obtained before the previous promotion. That is B. C. Applicants who wish to use the PhD or master certificate for AD1, AD2, and Deputy Director promotion should have obtained their certificate in or before 2020. So maybe you are having PhD or masters and you want to apply for AD1 or AD2 and Deputy Director promotion, you have to obtain your certificate in or before 2022. Mode of application. This is how you can submit your application, or you can apply for the application or these ranks. An applicant should complete the application online via, and this is the link, bit slash dot slide underscore that is slash GES promotion 2025, or scan the QR below. Applicants should upload the following documents: passport size photograph in JPEG or PNG format, last promotion or appointment upgrading letter, highest academic certificate used for applying for promotion. All documents uploaded must be in PDF, yes, except the passport picture, and it must be clear and legible. Application window opens from Monday 18th August to Friday 5th September 2025, and this is a letter released by GES urging teachers to apply for this rank if they are suitably qualified to apply. Hi, Karma Studios, as I said earlier, and I am your favorite boy, Sticky the Superstar. If you really enjoy this content, make sure to share it to your colleagues, like this video, and don't forget to become part of this amazing family. Yeah, we're finally out.